know if you guys can hear me or not, but I'm not even in the best frame of mind right now to do this, but I just have to. So I bank with Zenith Bank, and yesterday night at about 8:43 p.m. I got debit alerts. The first one to what's it called, to an Access Bank.
My people, I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they file now do as una tell they help me tell they share, comment, like. God will bless una. My people, now just see this short video, so I go put am for na more and watch am. Because this thing will happen to this lady, so we cry come out. So not be the first time where we dey hear something like this. This will not be the first time. Oh. Another woman even there now. If I see the video, maybe I go put and join this one. Where can I watch? Where be say their own money where they work, where they suffer put for bank. Before you go know, you go call it see say money where they put for bank. May anybody not touch and not be there even withdraw the money or the money now. It go come vanish, come off for the account. Can you imagine this country, that country where they call Nigeria? This one has the money where they suffer put oh, not be Buhari money oh. Now not say the country they not get help where they give any citizen for them. Nothing, you are on your own. If you feel to you do your business, it good though, you are now you know. If you not good though, now you know. Can you imagine this poor girl now? The money where be say it don't they work, they put for there, just they keep on. Can you imagine? Almost 4 million. It just waka come out without I don't understand though. I don't understand though. Money get leg and hand. Because all these things, the thing don't even tire everybody. The country not good. People where they inside the country, then they try to manage themselves. Then they try to survive. The bank. The bank, you got they carry their money. What did they do the money where be say? Money where you put for inside your, where you put for account. You not withdraw. You not send that go give anybody. Where did come make the money come up for the account? Should be somebody supposed to answer the question. But if you go there, go ask them, say, see what happened to my account, money like this, something, they not go fit do anything. It's just that you are on your own. As Buhari tell leave us, say, no. If you want buy money, buy, and not concern me. I just did there, it's like I not there. Now so the bank now so they see they do now. To all these people where be say, they see they get their small money, they put out for them. Money not get leg, you not get hand. Why you tell waka come up for them? This poor girl now, the money we want to pay her strength, everything, where this, una know say some of our people for that country, then they really they struggle. Most of them they struggle, they gather their money, the way where their strength reach, then they try. Because no help for anybody. The country not get it, but wait, they don't get any help where won't give you. But they try their best. But why the bank people? Because me, I believe say now people wait they inside the bank. Now if they know as the money to the waka. Because you know can't tell me now money where be say me I not transfer, I not do anything. Money go just they vanish like that, come off for account. You go still go meet them, tell them say this transfer, I not do anything. They not go look, they go just say, hey, we don't know. Maybe you give your card to somebody. Maybe you do this one to somebody. Maybe you do this one to this one. Una no fit block the account. If una see say something there where be say no get where not clear for na hide. Una no fit block her. Then contact the person say come to bank. Make them foresee say okay, see what they go on. All these people wey dey inside, no trust them. They not they even they get the way when they tell they do one. Even your account set everything, even the password where you get, then get everything for their own hands. They get time. We don't they see many things. People wey be say that they work with all this gbomo. Where gonna be say they work for inside bank. He go they tell them, say this one account is heavy. Mona try, mona go bagara. We don't they see everything. We don't see video. We don't see confession. We don't see many things. Can you imagine which kind of country be that one? The country, everybody don't tire. Those one where see the mileage, they want even put them for frustration, which is very bad. Which kind of country be that one? Me, I don't understand. I don't understand. Poor girl cry come out now say, even go see the bank. They tell them story. Once upon a time, may we listen to this lady. The thing they very, they annoying. So they hear all this kind of thing. Not be the first time with the hear now. See one old woman, they demonstrate for inside bank I see the video, I was like, oh my God, 600,000 just waka comot for wetin na wetin use and follow them back. May we listen to this lady.
Mind right now to do this, but I just have to. So I bank with Zenith Bank, and yesterday night at about 8:43 p.m. I got debit alerts. The first one to what's it called, to an Access Bank. It was 3.7 million transferred from my account to the Access account. And then I was confused because I don't understand, like, I didn't do this transaction. I did not authorize it or anything. And then I got a second one immediately, like just a minute later. Because I was trying to actually go into my mobile app, and then I got another debit alert of 222,900 to the same Access account, to the same Access Bank. And then a minute, it wasn't even up to a minute, I got another debit alert, 102,000 naira to a UBA account. Everything that was withdrawn in my account was about over 4 million naira. What is left in my account is 12,900 naira. I don't know who did this. I don't know how this happened. But I'm saying, Zenith Bank, please refund my money. Refund my money. I've gone to Access Bank already. Access said they've moved the money. Please, Zenith, refund my money. It's the fact that that account is a staff account. I worked with Zenith Bank. I'm an ex-staff. I worked with Zenith Bank, a Papa branch. That's my staff account. Please, please return my money. I'm saying this now because the next day I'm going to that bank, I'm going to cause a scene. If people cannot collect 4 million naira from my account, I don't. Please, Zenith Bank, you should refund my money. I beg. I don't have any other money anywhere. I don't have any other bank accounts anywhere. My card was not misplaced. I have my card here with me. My card is here. My phone was not stolen. I don't even use Apple Music. That's how bad I don't shop online. I don't even use Apple Music at all. So the person that did this thing, my house rent is in that account. My house rent is in that money that was debited. I have a lot of things I need that money for. This is not 40k that was removed from my account, though. It's not 40k, oh. This is 4 million naira, oh. 4 point something million, over 4 million naira that was removed from that account, oh. Everything in that account was drained, oh. Everything was drained, oh. There's nothing left in that account, oh. Zenith Bank, please, you should refund my money. Refund my money, oh. Refund my money. I'm saying this now, making this video now, because I'm going to tag everybody I'm going to tag in this video. Zenith Bank, please refund my money. Refund my money, because I'm going to cause a scene in that bank tomorrow. I'm going to cause a scene in that bank tomorrow. People will not like what I'll do in that bank. I'm going to keep dragging you people until you return my 4 million naira, because it's not 40,000 naira. It's 4 million naira. You should return my money, oh. And to think that is an ex-staff account. So if my daily limit is 200k, how do you people authorize 4 point something million naira to be transferred out of the account without my consent, without authorization from the owner of the account? Please, I'm saying this. Please, Zenith Bank, Central Bank of Nigeria, please, you should come to my aid. If you know any lawyer, I need a legal team, because I've gone there. They are telling me to write letters upon letters. I've written letters. I've written 2 letters at the Zenith Bank branch. I've been there since 8 a.m. Please.
My people, hey, sure now understand wetin happen to this lady now. Maybe the money where they inside the account now, then send down, may help am. You know, no, now help me go and give somebody like this, or help me use and do something like this. Which month she want to tell the owner, say, see what happen? Who go believe her? Nobody. And the worst part of it, the bank where be say, from our account, they withdraw money put for another person account. More than no vessel. No be the person where be say receive the money. He no get name, he no get. Now understand what I mean now. No be person name, he no get phone number, he no get something. how they wanted us say, okay, since you with the money it don't lost. I don't understand the way Nigeria take they do something or more than no verse. The way they take they do when it comes to money matter. Because person wey be say e get account, no be she transfer money. She can report to una. Instead of una to put leg, okay, we go find out to see the person where you get time. Una get everything. When you go open account, you go give the email. The person where be say receive the money, he get number. Phone number go there because then they ask for. Or email, he go there. Why be say they no can do something? They want make this girl may just the waka they go just for him go just buy. Then the money go just carry go. If you don't get heart, you don't fit bear this kind of thing. Under 5 minutes, 3 million something just come up for your account without not be saying now you even press button. Hey, now why my brothers and sisters? Wanna be careful on this bank of a thing. Now just to be say. Now say you go save your money for them. But the way where the content they do now, not be to save a girl, now to they collect money, then they'll say you they cry, they go, nobody go help you. And we know who go help you for the country. If you no get money where you say you get money where you want to fight the bank. Now the problem still be that one. If you don't get money, you don't get voice for the country. Poor person, poor human being wey be say they see the soakman, they go, they even they carry body small. They will come tell us may go take lawyer, may go carry paper come from there, go do this one for them. Before they do all these things, the money person will carry and never come out. Why they not block the account? As far as say the person just can't report. As they do one, the next day she go report. Why they not block contact now bank to bank now? Block this account is with the suspect. Money will be say come out for year, get a CB. My brothers and sisters, may I live on now. Help me to share this video. One love, keep us together. We pray, make the country better. We don't know when it will take better. Only God now, you know. The country don't even tire yourself. People wait there for the country, and they pity them. For real, I they pity them. Now, bye-bye for now.